Hey, what's up guys, it's Past King here, and today I'm gonna play my sister's world and actually play, but I'm gonna game mode 1, 2, back to creator. What I'm actually gonna do is, I'm gonna wait until it's daytime, and I'm gonna show you this smart showcase. So here we go. Right, so now it's up. I'm gonna welcome you to this smart showcase, and guess what it is. But before that, I must go to further distance. Might as well kill this creeper too. Sorry guys, that's not the mod showcase. It's just that the creeper mod, the shapeshift this mod on. So I'll change back to what it's supposed to be. Let me dump all my stuff. As you can see in the menu, it's number 2. This is actually the team crafted mod. So first, I'm going to be using Farm List, and we're going to start with Betty. So let's go find Betty. Now to craft Betty, you need 3 diamond axes and 2 sticks. Quite expensive. Looks as normal axe, but when you right click on the ground, this what happens. See that? So when you right click, it's like thunder striking. So I can show it to you on the map. Let's try on this iron golem. So if you right click here, there it will set the mob on fire. No nonsense whatsoever. Beautiful. Now let's move on to the next item, which is the L boost. The L boost has actually infinity durability, can be made using feather, stick, and an ender pearl. So L boost. If you right click here, get amazing speed boost. Look at that. That's crazy. Let's move on to our next item. But before that, let me quick we need magic pencil and the butter. So let me just get the magic pencil and butter. The magic pencil. Okay. The magic pencil can be crafted using these, but you need the Decepticon ingots, which you can find by killing mobs, and blaze rod and an ender pearl. So if you look at this staff when holding right mouse will shoot arrows at lightning fast. Whatever. Okay. So I'm gonna try the magic pencil. As you can see, look at those rapid fire arrows. Just fired it at this chicken. Unfortunately, shapeshift is on, so let me change back to my normal self. Yes, no nonsense whatsoever. Look at this. No nonsense whatsoever. Look how rapidly these are going. If you're like a marksman, look at how many people you can kill with this. And that's just amazing. Now, butter. Now butter is just food, so I'll only be showing you the crafting recipe. Butter is, let me hide this first. Sorry guys. So there are a total of actually so many parts. So for each episode, I will be doing 5 parts. Now for banana. Banana is also food. I'm just gonna share butter, meat, butter ingots, and milk. You can get all these ingots by killing the specific mob actually. And this banana is quite easy to create. And that's it guys. So that's the end of part 1 of the mod. I'll see you next time.